Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at a vacuum designed to handle your toughest messes, the Koblenz WD-2L Portable Wet-Dry Vacuum. Whether it's dust, pet hair, or spilled liquids, this wet-dry vacuum promises to make cleaning easier in a variety of spaces. But does it deliver? Let's take a closer look at its features, real-world performance, and how it compares to other vacuums in its class. The Koblenz WD-2L is a versatile 3-in-1 vacuum that's perfect for tackling both wet and dry messes. It features a 2-gallon polypropylene tank, which strikes a good balance between portability and capacity. Whether you're cleaning up spilled liquids in the kitchen or dust in the garage, it can handle it. With a 2.0 peak HP motor and 60 CFM airflow, this vacuum provides a powerful suction that can efficiently clean both wet and dry debris. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a long 10-foot reach, which gives you the flexibility to clean hard-to-reach areas, from high shelves to the backseat of your car. The 10-foot cord ensures you don't have to keep plugging and unplugging as you move around your space, making it much more convenient for larger jobs. When it comes to attachments, the Koblenz WD-2L doesn't disappoint. It includes a twist and lock hose, which is sturdy and flexible, allowing you to get into tight corners and crevices. The crevice tool is perfect for those narrow spaces like between couch cushions or along baseboards, while the pickup tool is useful for larger debris. It also comes with a cloth filter with a support ring, which is easy to clean and maintain, reducing the need for frequent replacements. In terms of performance, this vacuum really shines in its versatility. The transition between wet and dry cleaning is seamless, thanks to its 3-in-1 functionality. Cleaning up pet hair from upholstery or car interiors is effortless, and the vacuum doesn't struggle with large debris or smaller particles. The 2-gallon tank size is more than enough for quick, everyday cleanups, but might require frequent emptying for larger tasks. However, given its compact size, it's not meant to handle extended, heavy-duty cleaning sessions. For homes or vehicles where smaller messes accumulate regularly, this vacuum is a great choice. Now, how does it handle noise? It's quieter than many larger, more industrial wet-dry vacuums, but still not silent. The noise level is manageable, and you won't feel like you're disturbing the whole house or workshop during use. It's certainly quieter than the typical shop vacuum, which is a plus for those who want to use it in the living room or bedroom without causing too much disruption. Real-world testing showed that the Koblenz WD-2L performs admirably on a variety of surfaces. On hard floors, it picks up fine dust and debris with ease. On carpets, it lifts embedded dirt and pet hair without difficulty, though for heavily soiled carpets, you may need to go over a few times. It also works great on upholstery, removing pet hair without tangling in the brush, which is a common issue with many other vacuums. The blower function is particularly useful for clearing out leaves or debris from hard-to-reach spots, and the long hose allows you to use it as a blower in tight corners without much hassle. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Koblenz WD-2L offers excellent maneuverability, especially considering its size and weight. It's easy to store, making it ideal for smaller homes or garages where space is tight. The wet-dry functionality is a huge benefit for those who need versatility, and it performs well across a range of surfaces, whether it's a dry mess or spilled liquids. Its long cord and compact design mean it's convenient to use in a variety of situations. However, there are some downsides to consider. The 2-gallon tank, while practical, may be too small for larger cleanups. You'll likely find yourself emptying it more often than you'd like, especially if you're dealing with larger spills or a lot of pet hair. While it's quieter than larger models, it's still not entirely silent, and some users might prefer a quieter option for indoor use, especially in apartments or shared spaces. When it comes to value for money, the Koblenz WD-2L offers a lot of functionality for its price point. It's a great option for small spaces, cars, workshops, and light-duty cleanups. The powerful suction and easy portability make it a solid choice for quick cleaning tasks, but it might not be enough for heavy-duty needs. Comparing it to other wet-dry vacuums in the same price range, it holds its own, especially when it comes to versatility and ease of use. However, for those looking for a model that can handle large-scale projects or extended cleaning, a more powerful option might be necessary. There are a few alternatives worth mentioning. For instance, the Black & Decker BD200VA is another popular wet-dry vacuum that comes at a similar price. It also has a strong suction power and is known for its durability. However, it lacks the Koblenz's blower function, which might be a deal-breaker for some. The Craftsman CMX-EVE17595 is another option, offering more tank capacity and a slightly more powerful motor, but it's bulkier and less portable than the Koblenz. Both models have their own merits, but if portability and versatility are your top priorities, the Koblenz WD-2L stands out in its category. In terms of build quality, the Koblenz WD-2L is built to last, featuring a durable plastic construction and a rainproof motor head, which adds to its overall reliability. The hose and attachments feel solid, and the motor is designed to withstand regular use. Maintenance is straightforward, with the cloth filter being easy to clean and the tank easy to empty. However, as with any wet-dry vac, it's important to periodically check for blockages, especially after using it for wet cleaning. As for customer support, Koblenz is known for providing decent after-sales service, although this can vary by location. With a warranty and reliable customer service channels, issues are usually addressed promptly. If any part of the vacuum breaks or wears out prematurely, you can expect good support for replacement parts. To wrap it up, the Koblenz WD-2L is an excellent choice for those who need a versatile, portable vacuum that can handle wet and dry messes in small spaces. Its compact size, powerful suction, and blower function make it a solid option for a variety of cleaning tasks, from floors to upholstery and even car interiors. However, its smaller tank capacity and occasional noise might be drawbacks for those with larger homes or more frequent cleaning needs. If you're looking for a vacuum that balances power and portability, this one might be worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, check out the link to get yours in the comments box below. If you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to drop a comment. Goodbye till next time, and don't forget to clean up your act with Reviews Inside TV.